Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. The topic of today's video is how you can add your missing documents or research paper in your Google Scholar profile. So for example, here is my Google Scholar profile, and one of my recently published paper is missing in these list of publications. So what I need to do in this case, first of all, let me tell you something like if a paper is recently published, then it generally takes nearly 1 to 2 weeks for automatic addition to your profile. Either it is ORCID ID or Web of Science or Google Scholar. In case if you want that your paper as soon as it is published, it automatically be added, or it must be added immediately to all your online profile, then you can add it manually. Otherwise it takes nearly 1 to 1.5 weeks for edition. Okay, so for example, I want to add my this recent publication in my Google Scholar profile. So there are two different options. Like, I will go to my Google Scholar profile, I will type on Google as Google Scholar, then click on my profile, and here you can see an option of this plus sign. If I click on this, I can see different options like add article groups, add articles manually, or configure article updates. So I have to add articles, so by searching it. Also, I will click on second option. If you want to add your article manually, like by writing their volume, page number, DOI, author list, all these things, if you want to do them manually by your own, you can click on this option, but I must suggest to use this add articles. So once you click on add articles, it will show all the articles that are recently published with this name. For example, my name is for example is Mariam Batul. Then all those papers that are that contain the name of Mariam Batul will be shown to me. But this paper is not belongs to me, because there might be some other persons whose name is same like as me, like Mariam Batul. So I will not search by name. For that, I will save my time. I will just copy the title of my recently published paper. Then I will go to Google Scholar. In search menu bar, I will type the title of paper that I want to add in my Google Scholar, and then I will click on here search option. So this paper automatically appears to me, and it is recently published, and I will click on this paper. Once I tick this option is marked now, then I will click on this option. So once I click on this, so article added automatically to my profile. Okay, so here if I scroll it down, I can show you like see this one, applications of heavy metal based nanoparticles in cosmetics. So this is the same title, application of heavy metal based nanoparticles in cosmetics, a comprehensive review. So this paper is automatically added to your profile, so you can refresh your Google Scholar from here. So in this way you can simply go to this plus sign, add articles, and you can update your profile. In the same way you can add your recently published paper in your ORCID and Web of Science profile. We have already discussed about creating ORCID and Web of Science profile and how to update them. I will provide the link in the description. You can check. If you don't have, it's better to make a register for those ORCID and Web of Science profile. So like it will be a digital online record for all your research publications. So it would be good for your academic career and research profile. So in coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.